Ever wondered how the things you use every day, like your clothes, your gadgets, or even the sugar in your tea, are made? Have you thought about what makes a country economically strong and prosperous? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the world of manufacturing industries, the backbone of our economy.
Welcome back, students. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of manufacturing industries. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what manufacturing industries are, but also why they are so crucial for our country's growth. So grab your notes and let's get started.
Let's start with the basics. What is manufacturing? Simply put, manufacturing is the process of producing goods in large quantities by transforming raw materials into finished products. Think about how a cotton plant in the field becomes the shirt you wear. That's manufacturing at work. Why is manufacturing so important? Imagine an economy that only relies on agriculture. There's a limit to how much you can grow and sell. But when you turn raw materials into finished goods, you create more value. This means more jobs, more money, and a stronger economy. Industries are categorized based on various factors. Here's a breakdown. Agro-based industries. These industries use agricultural products as their raw material. For example, the cotton textile industry turns raw cotton into fabric, while the sugar industry converts sugarcane into the sugar you use daily. Mineral-based industries. These rely on minerals like iron, coal, and bauxite. The iron and steel industry is a great example, where iron ore is converted into steel, which is then used to build everything from cars to skyscrapers. Forest-based industries. These industries use forest products. Think about the paper you write on. It starts as wood pulp from trees. Animal-based industries. Here, the raw materials come from animals. The leather industry, for example, turns hides into leather products like shoes and bags. Based on their role in the economy, we also have basic or key industries. These are the foundation of other industries. For example, the iron and steel industry supplies steel to many other industries. Consumer goods industries. These produce goods for everyday use, like food processing industries that turn raw ingredients into packaged foods. Another way to categorize industries is by their capital investment. Small-scale industries. These require less investment and are often run by small businesses. Handicrafts and local workshops fall into this category. Large-scale industries. These involve huge investments like automobile manufacturing. Ownership also plays a role. Public sector owned by the government, like BHL. Private sector owned by individuals or companies like Tata Motors. Joint sector, a partnership between the government and private entities like Oil India Limited. Cooperative sector, owned by a group of people like Amul. Finally, industries are categorized by the weight and bulk of their raw materials and products. Heavy industries. Think of industries that produce bulky goods like steel. Light industries. These produce lighter goods like electronics. Now you might be wondering, how do industries decide where to set up their factories? The answer lies in something called industrial location factors, which we'll cover next. Welcome back to part 2 of our deep dive into manufacturing industries. In this segment, we'll explore how industries choose their locations and the major industrial regions across India. We'll also address an important topic: how industries impact the environment and what measures can be taken to mitigate these effects. So, let's jump right in and discover how the strategic placement of industries and their environmental footprint shape the future of manufacturing in our country. Industries don't just pop up anywhere. They're strategically placed based on several factors.
Raw materials. Industries often set up close to where raw materials are available to reduce transportation costs. For instance, iron and steel plants are usually located near iron ore mines.
Labor. Access to cheap and skilled labor is crucial. That's why many industries are found in regions with a large workforce.
Power supply. Industries need reliable power, so they often set up in areas with a stable electricity supply.
Market proximity. Being close to the market means lower transportation costs and faster delivery of goods. For example, many consumer goods industries are located near big cities.
Transport facilities. Good transport infrastructure is essential for moving raw materials and finished products.
Capital industries need financial resources, so they often set up in regions with access to banks and investors.
Government policies. Favorable government policies like tax incentives and subsidies can attract industries to certain areas.
India has several major industrial regions where industries are concentrated. These regions benefit from shared resources and infrastructure.
Mumbai-Pune cluster, known for textiles, chemicals and electronics.
Bangalore-Tamil Nadu region, famous for IT, electronics and textiles.
Hugli region jute, textiles and engineering industries thrive here.
Ahmedabad-Baroda region, a hub for textiles and chemicals.
Chota Nagpur industrial belt. Rich in minerals, this region is home to iron and steel industries.
Visakhapatnam-Guntur belt, known for shipbuilding and petrochemicals.
Gurgaon Delhi Meerut region, a centre for IT, automobiles and electronics.
Kollam-Thiruvananthapuram industrial cluster, famous for agro-based industries and coir products. Industries contribute to pollution in several ways.
Air pollution factories release harmful gases and particulates into the air. This not only affects the environment but also our health.
Water pollution. Industrial waste is often discharged into rivers and lakes, contaminating water sources. Think about the toxic chemicals released by tanneries and textile mills.
Thermal pollution. Some industries discharge hot water into rivers, which can kill aquatic life by raising the water temperature.
Land degradation. Solid waste from industries like fly ash and chemical sludge pollutes the land. Mining activities also lead to deforestation and soil erosion.
Noise pollution. High levels of noise from machinery and industrial activities can cause hearing loss and stress.
Here are some ways we can minimize the environmental impact of industries.
Pollution control measures. Industries are encouraged to install effluent treatment plants to clean wastewater before it's released. Scrubbers, filters, and precipitators can reduce air pollution.
Sustainable practices. Adopting cleaner technologies that produce less waste and pollution is crucial. Recycling and reusing materials can also help.
Government regulations. Strict enforcement of environmental laws ensures that industries comply with standards. Governments also offer incentives to industries that adopt eco-friendly practices.
Finally, let's take a look at how India's industrial sector has evolved over time and the challenges it faces today. This will help us understand the future of manufacturing in our country. India's journey in industrial development has been remarkable. Pre-independence era. Before independence, industries were limited to textiles and handicrafts. British colonial policies focused on exporting raw materials and importing finished goods, stifling local industries. Post-independence era. After independence, India focused on building a strong industrial base. Public sector enterprises were established in key industries like steel, power, and machinery. Liberalization, privatization, and globalization, or LPG. The economic reforms of 1991 opened up the Indian economy to global competition. This encouraged private sector participation and foreign investment in manufacturing. Challenges facing Indian industries.
Infrastructure deficiencies. Inadequate power supply, poor transportation, and outdated technology are major hurdles.
Global competition. Indian industries face tough competition from global players.
Environmental concerns. Compliance with environmental regulations adds to costs.
Labor issues. A shortage of skilled labor and rigid labor laws pose challenges.
Future prospects, innovation. Investment in research and development is key to adopting new technologies. Sustainability. Emphasizing sustainable practices will help balance growth and environmental protection. Digitalization. Embracing digital technologies like automation and artificial intelligence will increase efficiency. Global integration. Strengthening ties with global markets through trade agreements will enhance growth. And that's a wrap. Manufacturing industries are not just about making products. They're about shaping economies, creating jobs, and building a nation's future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.